Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandal in the City. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. So if you're interested in seeing what I've got, keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to be unboxing for my birthday some stuff from Chanel, Gucci, Dior, some jewelry, and some fragrances. So let's get started, guys. What are we going to start with? Let's start with this from Cartier. I've gone ahead and I've took the plastic off already. This will be my first fragrance from Cartier. And this one says it's made in France. Oh guys, look at that bottle. That is just gorgeous. I can smell it from here. This one is 100 ml. Says it on the bottom there. Nice weight to the bottle. I love the top cap with Cartier across the front. I could smell it from here, guys. Look at the top. I love how the top opens with the name of the fragrance right there. Let me have a smell. Oh, you guys. That is just gorgeous. Cannot wait to try this. This reminds me of an old-fashioned lighter from something you'd see from the 40s. Is that not gorgeous? Look at the bottle, guys. And I'll link all the information about it below. So that is my first perfume from Cartier. Okay. Next up is something from Chanel. So let me go ahead and take the lid off. Comes like that. Looks like it might be upside down. Let's start with the card because I always write myself a card regardless of where it's from. This one says, when I see my reflection in the mirror looking back at me, I see strength, courage, and beauty. You are amazing. Always remember that. Remember that, guys. Okay, there's the card. It's nice to give yourself a little bit of encouragement. And you know it comes with the little samples with Chanel there on the bottom. And these ones are Hydro Beauty Micro Serum is the first one. And the other one is Ultra Wear All Day Comfort Flawless Finish Foundation. So those will be nice to try. It's always nice to get the sample so you can try it before you buy it. And here is another fragrance. This one is the Night Fragrance by Coco, Mademoiselle. This is in the 50 ml. Go ahead and open this one. And I haven't even smelled these ones yet. I just wanted them for my birthday, and if I didn't like them, I'd keep them anyway. Look at that bottle, guys. It's like a frosted pink. It's got writing on the back, and I cannot make it out. Look at the bottle. And this is, like I said, the night version. And this is in the spray as well. As you can see there. Oh my God, you guys. It's softer than the, pardon me there, softer than the original Coco Mademoiselle. And it's floral. I just love this frosted bottle. Just gorgeous, guys. 50 ml on that one. Something from Chanel in this little box. Can anyone guess what this might be? Oops. And this is the first time I'll be seeing it with you. There's a little booklet, care card. Okay, guys. What did I get? To reveal. Is that not stunning, guys? It's a Chanel brooch. It is in the gold hardware with the crystals on it. It's not the larger one and it's not the smaller one. I guess it's the one that's in between. Look at that. Can you guys get a better look at the crystals? I cannot wait to wear this, guys. So this will be my first CC brooch, other than the one that I got the vintage from Fashion File, and also the second one I got from Fashion File, which is the fabric camellia. Look at that. I just love it. I tried to get the earrings on this, couldn't get them. They were sold out. This one is also sold out. So they go very, very quickly when they come on the site. This one was launched in November. So let's go with something from Gucci. Okay. And yet another fragrance, Flora. This one is in the 50 ml as well. Go ahead and get out of the box. Love the packaging, guys. Give me a second. This is my first Gucci fragrance. Look at that bottle. I just love the bottles. I collect old vintage perfume bottles. So I just love, love, love this one. I love the style of it. Gorgeous bottle. Okay, let me take the cap off. It's a spray as well. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm gonna love wearing this one. Once again, this is the Gucci Flora. And I believe there is a few different variations of this one. But this is the one that I decided to get. Cannot wait, guys, to use that one. From Gucci again. And comes in this little dust bag that says Gucci on it. I like the details when they send you things. And this is what I got, guys. And this one is in, what number is this one? 712. And it's Melanie Green. And it is one of their limited edition polishes. And the reason I wanted these is because they are in the vintage packaging. Look at that. And this is in like a nude taupe. And I believe these ones are already sold out. Not sure if they're bringing them back. So that's the first one. Another one in the little bag. Let me just open it up here, guys. Let me know if you've got any of these and which ones that you do have. This one is in number 212, Annabelle Rose. Okay. Why is this one? It looks like they're in the wrong packaging. Okay, so this one is the Melinda Green. 712 is that one. Look at it. It is just gorgeous. Love the packaging, like I said. So simple, but straight to the point. So there's the two polishes that I have. I did try to inquire about the other two, but unfortunately they are both sold out. So there's my Gucci's. Something from Dior. I had already posted this previously, waiting for the other things for my birthday. This one's a professional maximizing set for your lip and eyes. Let's go ahead and open this one up, guys. I like when it comes with the added little pouches in this beautiful fuchsia pink with the silver hardware. And these you can use for so many different things, guys, as a catch-all, you know, carry your wallet in it, your card case, you know, nail polish, whatever you need. And the thing I like about this one is it's got the wipeable interior, so if you spill anything, it'd be great to put your perfume in it, like those Hermes perfumes that I just got. Okay, let's go ahead and see what is inside here, guys. Okay, it comes with 3 products. This one is the lip maximizer. The next one is your, I guess, like a lip gloss. And then for your mascara pre-coat, so you can put your mascara over top of that. Let's go ahead and open this one. As you can see, is to put on before you put your mascara on. Nice thick wand on there. That always comes in handy. So we'll start with the first one, which is a lip maximizer, and I have never used these before. So this is new to me, and it comes with instructions. And I guess it's like a gloss. Let me just put the box down. I love the color on it. Love the packaging. It smells like peppermint and chocolate with Dior on the front of it there. Okay, and then this one is 001 Pink. And this is the Lip Glow. So there's the packaging, guys. Oh, I like that. Look at the color. Love that. Soft pink. Just gorgeous. Can't go wrong there, guys, with some Dior. Okay, so this one comes with gift with purchase. Always nice to get little gifts with purchase. Okay, guys, I love this already. Let me turn it around so you can see it. It is a pink faux leather large pouch, and it's got the silver hardware on it. Look at the beads. Look at the seed bead detail that says Dior. Oh, I just love that, guys. Soft zip on it with a washable interior. Look at that. You could use that even as a clutch bag in the summertime. Use it for travel, for all of your makeup, you know, scarves. Just love that. Can't go wrong with that, guys. Nice color as well. On to this one with the Christmas packaging. Any guesses on this one? Let's go ahead and open it up. I like the detail with all the ribbons and, you know, the little gift with purchase. Okay, see if I can get the lid off. 1 second, guys. Tissue paper. So what did I get, guys? Let's start with the samples first. Okay. It looks like I got Dream Skin sample. Also a serum. Can't wait to try these. Also a sample. Wherever the sample went, it must have fallen off in the box. Oh yes, it did. There's the sample for that one. It's nice that they give you little samples so you can try out, you know, different things instead of purchasing it and then finding out that you don't like it after. And they gave me Miss Dior. So the first item, guys, is Golden Nights. This is blush, by Dior. This is my first blush by Dior. I love how it comes out in a little black pouch like the Chanel. There we are, guys. Love the packaging, very classic. Okay. How do you open this one? There we go, guys. Ooh, that one looks like it's broken. Okay, let's take off the protective covering and look what I got, guys. Look at that. Since I collect snowflakes, this is just gorgeous. You can see all the sparkle in it. This one you could use as a highlighter. I think it'd be too light for, you know, a blush. So that's the first one, guys. Here's the next one. As you can see. And this one is number 353. I should have told you the number of this one. This one is 310. Let's go ahead and do this one. Same little beautiful black pouch. Gorgeous packaging, guys. This one does not want to open at all. There we go. Take out the insert. There we go, guys. Look at that blush. I don't know if you could see it or not, but it's got glitter in it. Once again, a snowflake. I cannot wait to use this one. Hi guys, if any of you are inquiring or interested about this necklace, it's not a necklace at all. It happens to be one of my chains, straps for one of my handbags. I just wrapped it around and wore it as a necklace. So you know, you guys, you can find other purposes for your straps. You can also wear them as belts, necklaces, and straps. This is just stunning, guys. It is silk. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous with all the poppies on it for Remembrance Day? This is just stunning. Oh my God, you guys. It's more of like a shawl, like a long scarf. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Look at the detail. It is just beautiful, and the feel of it. I cannot wait to wear this. I love it. Would have been perfect for Christmas time. So guys, that's what I got for my birthday. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram at Jandal Smith. And remember, guys, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Have an amazing day, guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.